Yeah, that microphone, I can see that one's synced up. Cool. Yeah, awesome. So as you can see, we've got a new set. We do apologise for not uploading any videos. John's been in Japan.
I have.
How was it?
I'm not sorry, it was great.
Yeah, I've been lazy, working hard on getting, working a few things in the background, you know. We got a car ready for you.
And another car later on.
Yeah, we'll get to that in this video.
But we have to travel a little bit.
We do, yeah, we'll have to travel.
Not as far as this one.
Not as far as this one. But we do have another car to reveal. The EG's back, it's right here. You guys can't see it, but we'll see it in a sec. We got it towed. It took far too long to get here.
It just beat me from coming back from Japan. Like it was, what, 2 days before? Something like that. And mind you, we organised everything a long time before I left Japan, and so many things happened that got in the way of it happening. The guy who was at the towing yard told my friend it was a piece of shit. To which his son said, "Oh no, they just want the engine." Both statements are true.
So, I guess, what are we doing in this video, John?
We're saying we're back.
We're back.
We are back.
We have this professional set, we've got microphones, we've got shelves with things on them.
We've got EG and something else.
Oh yeah, we fixed the alternator. Thank you for the teleprompter. Yep, I appreciate
The
that.
last video was kind of just like, well fuck. That's the other thing to add to the story is I got an alternator. Did so much research about making sure it was the right OBD, making sure it was the right part number, and it was fucking wrong.
I had a spare one sitting in my bedroom the whole time. It's now in the car and it's working. So we got the car back, safe and sound. I fixed the alternator this afternoon. This morning. So my hands are a little bit grubby. We took it for a spin, confirmed that the alternator is working. And
that VTEC is VTECing.
VTEC is VTECing, so...
You'll see that in a minute.
You'll see that. We'll just cut to that now.
Strange. There was some good noises.
Damn, that was some good noises,
Good
dude.
VTEC.
Hell yeah, love VTEC, dude.
It's the reason we do this shit.
That's literally why we do it.
For the VTEC.
VTEC. Shout out.
And you, I don't even know how many watch now.
Well, there's about 360,000.
It's gone down.
Yeah, it's dropped a little bit.
I'm sorry that we didn't post enough. Please come back.
Yeah, just come back. It's all good. Yeah, no, so I guess we're gonna go out there in a moment.
Big wide world.
And
Visit the new car.
yeah, we'll go visit the new car and
That's older than this new car, but you don't know that. Until
I've
this
had
moment.
it for a while. In fact, I've already engine swapped it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Our favourite kind.
Yeah.
We have great history with.
Yes.
Like for like.
Anyways,
Like for more.
here's your notification to subscribe and like the video and
Ding the bell.
ding the. See. Thanks, production. Yep, awesome, done. All right, cool.
How did she let us do this?
I don't know.
You're supposed to go, no.
We have a full
I
team.
was saying thumbs up. Like
See, you hear the third voice? There is a team.
Yeah, we have a team. Cool.
We got paid.
We're gonna go get this other car. See ya. And now that we're here in the world, we have another EG Civic. Woohoo! There it is. I've had this car now for at least a year, and I've already done a motor swap and a lot of different mods to it, but mostly to get it running because it wasn't running. So here it is. Here's me 1992 EG Civic Breeze with a D16 Y1. As you all know, D16Y1s are super fast and have VTEC. So, you know, that's 2 EG Civics with VTEC ready to rip.
In one video.
In one video, how good's that?
Spoiling
Now,
ya.
This one obviously doesn't look the greatest right now, and neither does John's. They're both shit boxes. But I think that's what makes it great. We both love shit boxes. It sounds good too. Hell yeah. It rips, besides obviously a lot of smoke. But we'll fix that. And a lot of power needs to be added, but we'll fix that too. Apart from that, we've got a couple extra goodies that we'll put in it. Shout out to whatever that brand is. I think that's all we got for you today, but stay tuned for, I don't know, but who cares? Stay tuned, because this is gonna get some crazy stuff that's gonna make John's V18 look slow. And I think you can guess what that is.